Good fine evening, fellow YouTubers and Facebookers. It's your boy KingCOBRAJFS back at you with another video. I want to give a shout out to Kyle who delivered this pizza right here. I ordered Domino's online. Now we are talking. This is a medium pizza, 2-topping. Oh, that's just pretty. Look at that. Medium pizza, 2-topping, hand-tossed. Oh my god, that just smells amazing. What kind of pizza? This is pepperoni, bacon, hand-tossed crust, Parmesan garlic, white sauce. Boom. Oh no, doesn't that look good? Alright, YouTube, without further ado, let's get into it, man. This pizza looks absolutely amazing. This pizza looks really good. There we go. Let's give it a go. Hold on. Yo. Yo, that combination Little Caesars. I mean, Domino's. Blah. Sorry, YouTube, I got my pizza chains mixed up. But yo, this is a tasty combination from Domino's. I'm digging it. Dude, their hand-tossed crust is so good. YouTube, this pizza right here, that's good. That's some good eats. But there you go, that's what it looks like. Domino's, you did an excellent job. The pizza looks good, it tastes good, it's hot, it's fresh out of the oven, and delivery was super quick. Love it. The bacon, the pepperoni. Oh yeah. That garlic Parmesan Alfredo sauce on that hand-tossed crust. So good. Yo. Okay. Next time I go to Domino's, I'm getting this exact pizza. No bullshit. That's good eats, man. So good. So good. The crust is fluffy, full of delicious flavor. Just everything on that pizza, man. So good. Hell fucking yeah, dude. I want to save some for later, but I definitely wanted to at least get a couple of pieces. Eating for you on camera here. So Domino's kudos to you. Your recipe is so much better. Domino's back in the day, man, their pizza was no good. But Domino's came in, they changed their recipe. And now their pizza actually is passable. Hell yeah. You cannot go wrong with this. Hand-tossed crust, bacon, pepperoni, garlic parmesan, Alfredo sauce. Wow. So good. Yo, get to Domino's and try one today. Hell yeah, YouTube. Nice thing about some delivery restaurants like that, you can call it in. Yeah. Now, while I was paying my internet bill earlier, YouTube, I had a random fan approach me here in town. They didn't want a shout out, but they just wanted to say, man, I love your videos. Keep doing you, man. And they bought me a bottle of Jack. You know, my fans love me. He didn't even want a shout out. He was just like, bud, I don't want a shout out. I just want to say you're awesome. You know, yeah, you know, cool, man, cool. Yeah, bud. You know, I don't ask my fans to buy me stuff, but when they do, they do it because they love my videos and they love watching me on YouTube. So, here's to good fans. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, Facebook, there was like a little bit of, I don't know what they do to put in their hand-tossed crust, but their hand-tossed crust reminds me of the, like the breadsticks you get at all, you know what I'm saying? Like, the hand-tossed crust tastes just like the breadsticks you get at Olive Garden. No bullshit. No freaking bullshit. The hand-tossed crust from Domino's Pizza tastes just like the breadsticks from Olive Garden. No bullshit. No bullshit. Alright. So I'm going to take some of this here Jack and some of this here Monster Import. And we're going to do a dank-ass drink combo. Let's call it a Cobra's Import. Cheers, YouTube and Facebook. Hell yeah. Yo, that drink combination be fire. So this here YouTube video is going to be called a Domino's food review. Yepers. Cheers to all my awesome fans and subscribers. Now keep in mind, now that the most recent batch is shipped out, I'm actually on my 6th batch of wands. And I'm going to get starting on those tomorrow. Gotta go to Ace Hardware, get some sandpaper, and yeah, gather a couple more sticks. Go ahead and put these little discards of trash into the trash can. Yeah. So anyways, YouTube, this is King Cobra JFS, your favorite local Casper Autistic, back at you with another video. Again, shout out to Kyle over at Dominos. Thank you for delivering an awesome pizza. It's delicious. And kudos to Dominos for changing their recipe for the better. Their pizza is actually delicious right now. So whatever Domino's is doing for their recipe, don't change a fucking thing, dude, because your pizza's delicious now. Drinking some Cobra's Import, which is Jack Daniel's whiskey mixed with Monster Import. Pretty good stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching, YouTube. Catch you cool cobras on the flip side.